Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how I'll build my first gaming and editing and programming PC, and this will be my first experience ever in life. I'm kind of scared but excited, so let's go through the components first of all. This is all I got. I hope it's everything that I need, and actually I only received half of all the parts just today, so they are so fresh and new, and some of them were here for a month, so I've been waiting for so long to build and I'm so damn excited. So let's get into it. First of all, this is the graphic card that I got, RTX 2070. This is very cool. This is the motherboard. It's pretty, I think it's pretty popular. Yeah, a lot of builds that I've been watching were with this motherboard. This is AMD Ryzen 3600. Yeah, pretty cool processor. SSD, I got it at 250 gigabytes, and I also have some hard drive, 2 terabyte hard drive, so that should be enough. This is the memory. I have the kit of memory, 8 gigabytes each, so it's 16 gigabytes in total. The speed is 3200. I'll add everything in the description because I'm not a big expert in this field, so I cannot really explain a lot. And this is the power supply that I got. This is Seasonic 80 plus gold, 650 watts. You can read it all, so I won't tell you a lot of new stuff in here. And the case that I got is a Cooler Master. Yeah, pretty nice. It has 2 fans in front, 1 fan behind, pre-installed, so it's pretty good. And I also got this screwdriver kit. Yeah, that's all I got. I hope it won't take more than a day for me to build. I am a noob in this field, but yeah, I'm excited anyway. Let's start. Okay, so I'll tell you right now what I will start with, and then I'll continue building and showing you some intermediate steps. So it's not gonna be a tutorial how to build a computer because I'm a complete noob, but I just want to film it, show you how I'm doing it, and tell you the progress. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is to connect the power supply to the socket and then use it for releasing the electricity. I don't know how to explain that, but like I need to do it because I don't have some protection from the electricity, some bracelets or something. Like I was told that I need to do it. Oh my god, it smells so new. Oh, it's amazing smell. Yeah, let's do it now. The PC is grounded now, so I can touch it and it will take the electricity out of my body, so I won't burn other parts. I hope. Here is the motherboard, and I'm ready to install the processor in there. I already found this small triangle and also the triangle here, so I'm just gonna put it in there and then update you on my next steps. Oh my god, it was so stressful because I put it in there and I saw there were some holes on one side, and I realized that I need to move it a little bit, and then I moved it and then it like fell in the big hole. Yeah, so yeah, now I installed it and I switched this thing back, and now I'm ready to install the CPU cooler. This is the stock CPU cooler if I remember correctly its name. And yeah, let's see. It turned out to be more complicated than I thought. My screwdriver set is shit, and this is the size 2.5, and this is actually the biggest that I have in this set. And for these screws, is it called screws? I don't know. I need 4, but I'm really glad that I live in the dormitory, because I just asked in a group on Facebook and someone just replied so I can get a normal screwdriver. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I was so frustrated because of this, but now everything is gonna be solved. Just a small update. It took more than an hour to figure out the problem with the CPU cooler. Actually, when I removed this stuff from the original motherboard, like I had to remove this and this, you know, maybe you understand because I have no clue. So I removed that, and actually I removed the thing beneath it, and yeah, I should have left it there. So I was trying to screw these 4 things into the motherboard, but it didn't succeed, and then I realized that I need to put the thing back, and then I was just trying to screw that so hard and it wasn't really working because I had to put so much pressure on it, and I was really scared that I was gonna ruin it. So yeah, and then I put it into this socket. And also I installed the memory. I think it looks really cool, all black and red, and you'll see the entire computer, it's also black and red. I think it's really cool. Yeah, let's proceed to other stuff. Just look at my room, it is such a mess. And I already installed the memory, and yeah, everything is ready now. So I'm just taking a small break to eat because I'm so hungry, I'm starving. And I even opened the case already, and then I'll try to I will install motherboard inside and continue. Yeah, I'm pretty proud of myself because I've never done that before, and it was so stressful when things didn't work with the CPU, but now it's all good. Oh my god, I'm so glad. I was so stressed. I thought that something was wrong with it, but actually something was wrong with me. But I think it's pretty normal. I'm back from break and ready to continue my build, and also drinking my coffee. So now we're gonna it's a good coffee. Now we're gonna take this thing that belongs to the motherboard, and we're gonna put it there, I guess. Yeah, that's the place that it's gonna be here. Yeah, correct. So yeah, let's do it. I already installed the motherboard inside of the case, and it was pretty easy to use these 9 screws and to use this thing to help me to install the place where I can screw it in. And also the problem was with this part because I couldn't align it normally, because one of these things was going down and I couldn't push it forward, so it was a problem for me. But now it's solved and I can move on to installing power supply. But now I'm really enjoying the process. It looks so nice. What do you think about this build? Preparing power supply for installation. Here it is. I already connected it to this thing from the case, and now I'm gonna connect the cables in the power supply. Also, I wanted to show you how it looks now. Oh my god, it looks so cool. I hope it will work. One thing that I find weird is this motherboard connector. Like, all of them have this golden thing inside, but one doesn't, and it's confusing. I don't know. And I also noticed that it was somewhere else, like, yeah, here, you see it. I don't know what is that. Like, only, yeah, there are only 2 empty hole. Oh no, is it the same one? Like here, I don't see it. Here, I don't see it. Yeah, maybe it should be like that. I have no idea what I'm doing, guys. I'm doing some cable management and connecting the fans to the motherboard. This is pretty annoying. It took me a lot of time to figure out the pluses and minuses here in LEDs and that stuff. Like, it was kind of confusing. Yeah, but more or less it is done. Of course, not with all of the cables, but it's looking good, looking good. I want to get rid of this somehow. Maybe I'll have to change the door for the cables. Some of them should come from here, some of them should come from here. So yeah, I just did it with this one, but I think I'll need to change it to make it more nice looking. Yay, it's all done, and it's not even dark yet. I'm so proud. But yeah, I need to test first if it works or not, and if it does, then I'll do the cable management. But for now, I'll connect it to the monitor and yeah, try to run it if it works or not. Hope it works. So yeah, I installed the graphic card, and yeah, what did I do? Also, it was really hard to put the CPU plugs. I don't know how it is called here. See, it was really hard, but I managed to do it. So let's test it now. From the first try, I turned it on, and it kind of works. I guess it works. I'm so excited. Look here what we have. One keyboard. I need to connect the mouse as well and continue with these installations. Oh my god, oh my god. I didn't expect. I wanted so bad it to work from the first try, but I didn't expect that it will actually work. It was so loud, but we'll figure that out. Can I hear that? It's really loud. This fan is very loud. Or this one, I don't know. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, guys, it works. Look at this. It's crazy. And look at the weather, it's also crazy. Can you see like this heavy rain? This is not interesting. This is something that is very interesting and exciting. Oh, can you believe it? How much time did I spend? I spent less than like 5 hours maybe, yeah, and we were taking it very, very slow, just not to make a mistake, and it works. I built it, like, it's so crazy. I had no clue what I was doing, and it's possible to do it. Oh, this is so crazy. By the way, The fans are really loud, and it's so cold inside. I think like they are working 100%, and yeah, I should change it somehow. So yeah, now I need to continue these installations, install Windows, and also do cable management and put the sides of the case on their places. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so proud of myself. Can you believe it? I built this thing. And this is so crazy. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention that I still need to install the hard drive after I install Windows. Just some more information. Yeah, but it will be easy. I'm a pro now. So if you want to build your own PC, just let me know and I'll help you. Just kidding, but I mean, I'm so surprised. I cannot believe it, really, guys. Small update after the Windows installation and the installation of the hard drive, which is here now, and also after activating the hard drive, so now I have enough memory. So the only one thing that is left is to do the cable management, and yeah, I'm done. I'm ready to put on the side panels on the case and try how it works. I'm so excited and I'm so tired. It's almost dark. It's 9:30 p.m. I have some fruits to eat and I have some work to finish. All done. But I don't like the sound of, like, it's too noisy. I'm not doing anything and it's so noisy, and I'm still keeping this thing like an old lady on the TV remote. Yeah, just in case. For now, I'll keep it. Yeah, I'll show it to you tomorrow morning in the light to look better, I guess. And now I need to install some stuff to be able to make calls. So I'm gonna connect it to the internet now, and I'll show you tomorrow what I'll get. Welcome back. So it's the next day. I forgot to film in the morning, but now I'm installing some games. I installed some programs today, and I'm planning to go for a walk now because I'm having such a big headache, and I think it might be because of the magnetic storms. But anyway, yeah, I need to go for a walk before I start experimenting with the computer again. It is, I installed GTA 5, which I got for free from Epic Games Store, and also I'm installing Fortnite, of course. And I'm pretty disappointed with the temperatures that I'm having. Like here, it's pretty hot. I think I'll need to change the CPU cooler in the nearest future because it's really hot. Yeah. Actually, my graphic card is getting hot too. I don't know what's the reason, but hopefully I'll figure that out. And yeah, I think it's the end of this video. I hope you liked it and stay tuned for the next videos about my computer. I think I'll do some benchmarks, tests and stuff like that, so that I can experiment and show you more about it, show all its power. And I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and here and everywhere else where I will add links to in my video description. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Bye.